Hi everyone, welcome to 186th episode of Campus This Week. I'm RJ Nisa, Department of BCA, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by AR Enterprise, manufacturers of school and college uniforms and sportswear. The headlines this week: College keeps principal Silver Jubilee of Priesthood. Government officials addresses students on Swachhata mission. Philosophy department students get media savvy. Radio Salesian joins community radio workshop in Sikkim. Unforgettable field trip to Himalayan eco village. The news in detail. Siliguri College keeps principal Silver Jubilee of Priesthood. Ankita Roy of BCom 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri celebrated the Silver Jubilee of priestly ordination of its principal, Father Dr. Babu Joseph, with a solemn Holy Mass on 7th November 2024. The celebration held in Don Bosco Shrine Siliguri had clergy and religious representatives from entire North Bengal and Sikkim. The main celebrant at the Holy Mass, Father Babu Joseph, thanked God for 25 years of his priestly life. The choir, under the baton of Simon Lepcha Sir, consisted of staff members, faculty members, and students, enriched the liturgical celebrations. After the Holy Mass, there was a jubilant procession escorting the jubilarian to the felicitation venue where the celebrations continued with speeches and cultural performances. Rector Father Dr. Tommy Augustine delivered warm address acknowledging Father Babu's contribution. The students as well as MSMSC candidates presented dances, followed by a musical performance by the music department faculty members and students. The event concluded with heartfelt felicitation and Jubilee Fellowship bouquet, bringing the community together to honor the milestone in Father Babu Joseph's priestly life.
Ankita Roy reporting. Siliguri, government officials addresses students on Swachhata mission. Tissa Sen of Mass Communication and Journalism, 5th semester reports.
On 28 October, the Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises, Development and Facilitation Office Siliguri led a seminar at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri under the special campaign 4.0. Abhishek Chandra, in charge, oversaw the initiative, with Assistant Director T.C. Lama briefing participants and T.K. Banerjee, another Assistant Director, delivering an address on Swachhata, cleanliness and planning. Highlighting the importance of the campaign, the officials stressed that students being future leaders should understand government initiatives aimed at improving services and public satisfaction. The question and answer session led to an open discussion about several crucial topics of the area, including the Siliguri Municipal Corporation dumping ground adjacent to the college emitting hazardous gases. This year's theme, Institutionalizing Swachhata and Reducing Pendency, calls on individuals and institutions alike to implement positive changes.
Tissa Sen reporting. Sonada, Philosophy department students get media savvy. Banteiburom Mukhim of English department 1st semester reports.
The Department of Philosophy, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, hosts a 4-day intensive media training for 40 brother students from Salesian, Darjeeling Diocese and Claretian from 29 October to 1st November 2024. Kolkata Province Delegate of Social Communication and Faculty Member of Mass Communication and Journalism at Salesian College Siliguri, Father Arvind Khalko trained the participants in essential skills such as communication, news report writing, photography, videography, editing, audiography and designing using Canva. On day 1, after introduction to the philosophy of communication, ethics and media impact on youth, students practice news report writing. Days 2 and 3 focus on photography, video shooting, editing, sound recording and voice-overs. The clear Sonada weather allowed for practical video shooting sessions. On the final day, participants mastered designing with Canva, creating posters, brochures and videos. They also recorded song tracks using Audacity. Participants also taught Radio Salesian and Salesian TV Studio. They launched Salesian Philosophy, an Instagram channel and YouTube channel for educational and inspirational content for youth.
Banteiburom Mukhim reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Sonada, Radio Salesian joins Community Radio Workshop in Sikkim. RJ Wang of Radio Salesian reports.
Radio Salesian was part of a two-day community radio awareness workshop organized by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in collaboration with Seeking Modern Application for Real Transformation, SMART, held on 5th November 2024 in Gangtok, Sikkim. Radio Salesian's Program Director RJ Sameer participated in the event. Inaugurated by Shri Neeraj Kumar Pandey of Doordarshan Kendra Gangtok, the event focused on raising awareness about community radio, simplifying station setup and fostering community engagement. With 45 participants from non-profits and educational institutions across Sikkim and West Bengal, the workshop covered essential like government schemes, equipment purchase and sustainability for community radio. SMART's founder director Ms. Archana Kapoor highlighted the platform's role in promoting inclusion, while Shri Amit Dwivedi stressed the government's commitment to expanding community radio in the Northeast. Sessions included insights from two established stations like Radio Salesian Darjeeling and Radio Kanchenjunga Sikkim, inspiring participants to use radio for local empowerment. The workshop was part of a broader initiative to support community-driven development nationwide.
RJ Wang reporting. Siliguri, unforgettable field trip to Himalayan eco village. Debangshi Mishra of Mass Communication and Journalism 5th semester reports.
The students of the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri went on a field trip to eco-village Chatakpur in Darjeeling from 25th to 27th October 2024. Organized to provide hands-on experience, the trip aimed to enhance student skills in photography for 5th semester students and radio feature production for those in the 3rd semester. The journey, rich in learning and scenic beauty, was an immersive experience into culture and nature. Accommodation was arranged at Dhan Maya Homestay, a warm and welcoming local abode that gave students a taste of authentic mountain hospitality. Each day was packed with activities including trekking through forest trails, which offered opportunities to capture the local breathtaking landscapes. The students also visited the popular viewpoint, which provided a panoramic vista of the mountains, which offered a perfect setting for photography practice and inspiration for radio storytelling.
Debangshi Mishra reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by AR Enterprise, manufacturers of school and college uniforms and sportswear. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.